So we will discuss what is the difference between React.js and Next.js. Basically, React.js is a JavaScript library, whereas Next.js is a entire framework which is based on the React.js, right? And in React.js, we can implement the only UI part in the MVC architecture, whereas in the Next.js we can implement the entire MVC model view controller part inside that one. And React.js actually totally based on the component architecture. The basic thing is the component. That is totally around we actually worked on the component. And basically Next.js also using the React.js. So we are also defining everything in the form of component. Basically, another difference is that React.js is totally working on the client side, and it is rendering only on the client side. But in the Next.js support the server side rendering, in which you can create the component which support the client side rendering using the client side component, as well as you can create the server side component. So you can create the server side thing with using the server side component, but you can also create a client side component inside that one also. There are different features defined in this client. In React.js we have a virtual DOM, which is not the actual DOM, which is a replica of the actual DOM. We actually manipulate the virtual DOM, and it sees the differences between virtual DOM and the actual DOM, and it calculates, or based on that what part of your HTML part has been updated, that has been loaded, not the entire component. And the other thing is the it supports only the one-way binding, right? React.js only supports one-way binding. It means the content will be changes only the one side. Okay. The another thing is related to in Next.js, that is supports the server side rendering that we already talk about. The another important thing is that it support the static site generation. Static site generation means whatever you have created the pages on the build time, actually it serve at at the same on the runtime, right? And it supports the chunk side development. It means it actually develop your code and divide it into chunks part, and not loaded the entire component entirely in one time. In Next.js it loads the chunks parts only whatever you have required, so it increases the performance of your application, and your application will uh, work very fastly. So that is the main actually differences between the React.js and the uh, Next.js. Next.js actually developed by the Vercel, okay, and whereas the React.js is developed by the Facebook company, right? So that is the total phase differences between the React.js and Next.js. I hope you learned lot. So we will meet in the next video.